Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove green screen from your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to be using this one, and I want to remove this green screen and add something else to it. You're just going to go to remove background, select chroma key, and you're going to select the green area, and you're going to adjust the intensity. I think I prefer the one without the arrow, so let's just use another video for that. Maybe this one. Oh, wait, this one has an arrow. How about this one? Let's go with this one. Chroma key, and then again, select the color picker, adjust the intensity, maybe add in some shadows to it. And then I'm just going to place it on the second track. And I'm going to add in another video underneath it, maybe like this. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.